Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Scooter Pete. You know, it's been a while since I've actually done anything video wise. I did have a really ambitious program or scheme to restore a Honda Helix. However, that didn't work out. It was the bike that I had my accident on, and I just couldn't seem to get myself to finish it. So anyway, I wound up selling the thing. And since then, well, life goes on. And I've got a number of projects on the go. The one behind me right now, this is a Aprilia Scarabeo that needed some attention, and it's doing quite well. And I'm going to be ready to put it back together once I verify that all the settings are good. But the big news is not so much the Scarabeo, it's what's next to it. That's my next project. And here, let me take you out there and you can have a look. There it is, Honda CB 750A, 1976. It's a little bit of a basket case. It has a few issues, but once the Scarabeo is off the lift, then the Honda goes on, and it will be torn right down to the frame. And we're going to rebuild that thing. The aim is that hopefully by late spring, I'll be pulling out of this garage with what is essentially a new bike. This is an automatic bike, 750A. A is for automatic. It has a torque converter. Let's show you the side here. As you can see, this part right here, that's the torque converter. It's a 2-speed and basically a high and a low. Oh, there's my kickstart. Anyway, conventional shifter and no clutch, as you can see. So it's going to be quite a challenge. I'm actually very much looking forward to it, and I hope to document as much as possible, because I see a lot of YouTube videos out there on rebuilding the CB750s, 754. This is a 754 as well, but you know, like the F and K models and so on. There's almost nothing out there on the A model, and you know, it's a lot rarer, and they're beautiful bikes. So anyway, that's about it. You can say goodbye to my Honda, or rather my Suzuki, because I've rebuilt that and it's sold. Sorry. Anyway, this is the big project coming up. So until then, I hope to keep in touch, and once I get going on this guy, I'll be posting regular videos. Thanks a lot all. Have yourself a great, great whatever's left of the year, a great Christmas, and a wonderful New Year. Scooter Pete out.